Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn Tech. In today's video I am going to tell you how easily you can do the troubleshooting for the non-inverter air conditioning. If you are the type of person who likes to try to troubleshoot problem on your own, then follow the process step by step for doing the troubleshooting, and it's vary according to the model of air conditioning. Step 1. Check the indoor power circuit board. In this you can see a relay. In this relay we have power in and power out switch inbuilt, which means when the indoor get on, after 3 minutes the PCB release the power to our outdoor unit. If the if it release the power, it means our PCB is good, and if it doesn't release, we have to change the PCB. Step 2. Then we have to check the running capacitor. In previous video, I have explained the working of running capacitor. Go near the outdoor unit, check if your AC fan is rotating or not. If the fan is not rotating, find a long thin subject like stick, screwdriver, slide it into the vent and gently push one of the fan blade. If the fan starts rotating on its own and keep rotating, it means you have a faulty capacitor. Also, if your air conditioning is making humming noise but not running, the capacitor is faulty. Need to change the capacitor. Step 3. Then we have to check the fan motor. Fan motor helps to rotate fan. When the fan rotates, it removes the heat from the condenser, which bring the refrigerant into the lower temperature and protect compressor from overheating. If you have checked the running capacitor is good and fan is not rotating, it means fan motor is faulty. Step 4. To check the compressor. If all components present in the AC are okay, then you have to check the compressor. To check the compressor, we need a multimeter. Step 1. Disconnect the power, then remove the top cover of the unit. Unplug the 3 wires from the terminal of compressor. Set your multimeter to the ohms. Measure and record the resistance of each terminal winding. The sum of two terminal resistance should be equal to the third terminal. Example, terminal 1 to terminal 2 it shows 4 ohms, and terminal 2 to terminal 3 it showed 5 ohms. It means the terminal 1 to terminal 3 should be sum of the two terminals is equal to 9. Step 5. Refrigerant. If the outdoor fan and compressor are working and you are not getting the cool air inside, it means there is a lack of refrigerant. Easily you can check the discharge pipe should be hot and the suction pipe should be cooler. If you see the discharge pipe is cooler than the suction, it means there is lack of refrigerant. Or you can easily check by the pressure gauge according to the pressure of the refrigerant. Try to find the leakage and brace it, then do the vacuum and charge the refrigerant. This is how easily you can troubleshoot your air conditioning, and if you want to know the working and function of all the parts, you can check the link in the description.